Hi everyone, my name is Tunde. In this video, I'll be showing us how to create a user in Microsoft 365 using the PowerShell. So I've shown us earlier how to create user using the GUI, the admin portal. But in this video, I'm going to be showing us how to use the PowerShell to perform this task. So the steps in creating a user using a PowerShell involves us installing the right Azure module. Then we're going to import the module. Then we connect to the Azure Active Directory. So once we have done that, then we can proceed to run the script to create the user. So the most important thing to do in this script is that you need to declare the password profile variable, then the password profile dot password variable as well. So this is going to be this password profile dot password is going to be the the password for the users. So and the new Azure AD user is going to be the primary function we're going to be using in creating the user. Then we're going to declare the parameters needed, like account enabled status. We set it to true. So the given name of the user we are creating is Jack, and the surname is Robinson. So the display name of the user is Jack Robinson. So the password profile um is password profile. So what we are doing is that we have declared the variable for password profile here. So we are just calling the variable here. So we're just going to be using the variable here. Then the main nickname is Jack B. Then the most importantly, the user principal name is going to be jack.robinson then at your domain.com. So these ones, if you are creating more than maybe one user and just want to run everything, you can do it this way. Just create multiple entries. So I'm going to be proceeding to the PowerShell now to show us how to do this. I'll open the PowerShell. So you um run the PowerShell as an administrator. So I'll be using the PowerShell RSE to perform this. Going to be closing this. So the first thing we're going to do, as I've explained earlier, is that we will install the right module for us to be able to perform this function. So I'm going to go by installing the module first. I will go by install module, and the module name is the Azure AD module. So you're going to see this prompt. So once you see this prompt, just click on yes to all. So and you see the prompt where the module is installing. So once it's completed, then you can now go ahead to import the module. So after importing the module, you can now go ahead and connect to the Azure AD. So you're going to see a prompt for you to sign in. So you're going to sign in with your global admin username and password. So once you're authenticated into your Microsoft 365 environment via the PowerShell, then you can now proceed to run the script I shared with us earlier. I showed us earlier. So I will just come back here, then I will copy the script. So I'll proceed to run this. So as you can see, the user has been created. The object ID of the user is this, and the display name of this user is Jack Robinson. The user principal name is jack.robinson at com, and the user type is member. So I will now proceed to my Microsoft 365 environment to see if I will be able to see this user. So I will refresh this page, then I will look for Jack Robinson. So as you can see, the user Jack Robinson has been added. So if you want to do it for multiple user, all you just need to do is just to add the new Azure AD user. Um, this line you had multiple entries. So take for example, if you are creating for two users, you're going to say new Azure AD user, then you declare the variables for the user you are creating, that is the name, the surname, the display name, and the user principal name for each user. And once you've done that, you're just going to click on run. And for this particular user we created, the password for this user is going to be this percentage Microsoft 2023 as you declare. So let me quickly show. Let's try to sign into this user we just created to see if we're going to be able to sign into this account. So I'll go to office.com. I'll open the incognito mode. So I was signing with the Jack Robinson user. The username is Jack. Username is Jack dot Robinson at com. Jack dot Robinson at com. And the password, which is your password, will declare. So I just go here. This is the password. I'll copy it. Then I'll paste it. Then I'll sign in. As you can see, it's prompting us to to input our own password. As you know, as an administrator, you are not allowed to know your user's password. So when the user tries to sign in for the first time, is going to have this prompt to change the password to desired password. So that is going to be the end of this class. So do endeavor to like this video as well. Subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be dropping more videos as time goes on. Thank you so much for watching. I'll connect with you guys later. Bye for now.